Hello everyone, this is Manveer back again on Turban Outfitter. In this video, I'm going to be talking all about candles. I don't know if you guys can see, but on that mantle, I have that little candle thing set up. Those aren't real candles, they're actually electric. So I'm going to show you how I made that centerpiece. I'm also going to show you how you can use real candles to create different centerpieces for your holiday parties or get-togethers or whatnot. So I'm not going to waste any time and we'll get straight into it. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you guys have a very Merry Christmas if you celebrate Christmas. These Frosty candle holders are basically just a reiteration of a DIY I did with the ornaments, where you cover the ornament with glue and you apply some Epsom salts. And I have included that link in the bio down below if you guys want to check that out. And then here what I'm doing is I'm just taking a variety of stem glasses, and then I'm just putting some ornaments in it to add some visual interest. And then on top of what would be the base, but since it's been turned upside down, it's the top, I'm going to put a pillar candle. So if you put them together, it looks like this. And now this is for a lot of the people who are in small spaces or in dorms where they can't have open flames. So here you're going to take some LED candles, and I'm taking some cardstock paper, and I am rolling the paper up using the LED candle as a template. So the paper is just big enough to put the LED in, and I added a slit in the back to allow the pillar to kind of expand a bit, to allow you to pull the LED light in and out. So once you make that pillar, I'm going to make several sizes of these, and I'm going to put them together, place the LED candles on top, and it looks a little something like this. Hope you guys have a great 2019. I have lots of content for you guys. This was just a test run, and I have so much more in store for you guys for the new year. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to give me the best Christmas present ever, comment, like, above all, subscribe, and share with your friends and family and get them to subscribe as well. It will make my day, seriously. So without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys get back to your holiday celebrations. Have a good day.